Hello, this here is round 2 decisions for my CapSim. So a precaution is that don't copy these values if you did not follow my round 1 values. So if you did your own thing, don't copy this because I can't guarantee you that you'll pass. Definitely you will not get what you intended to get. So in this round, we want to make decisions for round 2. So able, you can give it a performance of 6.5 and a size of 13.5. Then with the Eka, we are not going to touch it because also we want it to age. So we want it to reach a maximum age of 7 so that we can change it. So for Adam, we can give it a performance of 9.8 and a size of let's say 10.2. Then with aft, we can give it a performance of 11.2. So I can give it a performance of 11.2 and a size of let's say 14.1. Then with agap, we can give it a performance of 5.4 and a size of 8.8. Yeah, 8.6, sorry, 8.6. So we are not going to touch our mean time before failure. So we just want it will just remain the same. So these are my decisions for round 2. So let's move on to marketing. So after you have made your decisions on the R&D, it's advisable that the next step that you go is the marketing. So after the research and development, move on to marketing. Now to marketing here, because I believe that my competitors may decide to reduce the price of some of their products in the segment so that they can have a competitive price competitive. So I'll also decide to reduce mine. So I'll put this on 27.5. Then for Eka, I'll reduce it also by 50 cents to 20.5. For Adam, I'll leave it the way it is. Then for aft, I'll reduce it to 34 because I believe that some of my competitors need, or not even all, may decide to reduce their pricing. Now, for me to sell this new product, I should give it a specification in terms of pricing. I invest also in the promo budget to increase its awareness. Invest in sales budget to increase its accessibility. So I'll give it a pricing of 34 because I want it to sell in the size market segment competitively. So also my promo budget will be 2,000. My sales budget will also be 2,000. So I'll recalculate so that I see what's my benchmark prediction in this round. Now then, because I already did my forecasting in my Excel sheet, so for my forecast in this able product, I forecasted that I'll sell about 2,200 units because also I should have some inventory, not too much inventory, because stocking out means that I've lost some sales, like I've not satisfied my demand completely. So it's better I have inventory, not so much inventory. So there I forecasted I'll sell 2,000. Then for this one I'll sell 2,600. Then for this one for Adam I'll sell 950 units because it's in the high-end market segment. Then aft, which is in the performance segment, I'll sell 1,000 because I know I'll sell 1,000. Then in the agap I'll sell 850. So 850 units. Then in axe I'll sell 400 because this is a very new product into the market. So I can't focus that I'll sell much because customers are not aware of it. So I'm just launching it. So the next decision is my production decision. So let me check at my production decision. So here I'll have to make decisions in 3 segments: the production schedule, the capacity, and automation. I'll start with the production schedule of able. So here I'll give it, I'll produce 2200 because I want to have some less inventory. Then acre, I'll produce 2550. Then for Adam, I'll produce 940 because production after adjustment will reduce. So I want to cover up for what will reduce in the production after adjustment. Then aft, I'll produce 1000 because I have 26 units of inventory, so they'll cover up for what will be lost. Then agap, I'll produce 820 because I'm projecting to sell 850. So if I calculate here, I see that my production after adjustment for able will be 2178. Then acre will be 2525. Adam will be 931. Aft will be 990. Agap will be 812. Then for this new product, I'll produce 400 units. I don't want to produce much because I might end up getting huge inventory. Then for buy sell capacity, because I want to increase, I can see that my second shift production of acre is 70%, aft is 66.7%, agap is 36.7%, while ax is 100%. So I'll increase my capacity for this one. So I'll increase by 100. Then for this new product, I'll increase it by 200. Then in automation, still I'll invest in automation. So this one I'll give it 7. Then the low end product I'll give it 9. Then this one I'll give it 4. So recalculate. So this is my decisions round 2. So let's go on to human resource. So under human resource, I'll invest, my recruit spend will be 5,000. My training hours will be 80. So let me recalculate it. Then I'll check on my balance scorecard. So let me check on my balance scorecard. Here my balance scorecard is 77.9, but I've not made decisions on finance because I can see my days of working capital are very low. So let me invest in my finance so that I can increase my days of working capital. So here I'll take a short-term debt of 10,000 because I already have some money, because I want to balance my financial position. So I'll take a short-term of current debt of 10,000, then a long-term debt of 20,000. Because also in this round I'm trying to invest in my company. So let us look at our balance scorecard. So my balance scorecard is 81.5 out of 89. So I believe in this round also I'll perform better compared to the last round. So that's it. That is my decisions for round 2.